The market started neutral today, and we are still waiting. It's just the start of the day right now. So market neutral में start हो गया. QSI is looking kind of absolute yellow and absolute zero right now. So it's right in the slot. हमारे slot में market खुला है और आज बहुत ज़्यादा volatility expect होगी, right? State is neutral at this point, 9:20 a.m. और अभी तक हम ट्रेड में तो नहीं है. इज वेरी अंडरस्टैंडेबल. सो वी आर स्टिल गोइंग टू अर्न द पार्टिसिपेशन. तो पहले हम पार्टिसिपेशन अर्न करेंगे. तो जब हम पार्टिसिपेशन अर्न करेंगे उसके बाद ही हम ट्रेड जो है उसको कंसिडर करेंगे. सो वी हैव अर्न द पार्टिसिपेशन आई थिंक. सो इट्स जस्ट द मैटर ऑफ टाइम कि अपन ट्रेडिंग शुरू कर लेंगे. अभी रिस्क ऑर्गेनिज्म 1 लाख रुपए का ही है. अभी भी मैंने चेंज नहीं किया. तो रिस्क ऑर्गेनिज्म इज अ कैरी फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन. So there is no interference in that so far because compounding effect अभी मैं नहीं लेके आ रहा हूँ. अभी कुछ दिन ऐसे ही चलाएंगे. उसके बाद फिर रिस्क ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है उसको बढ़ाएंगे. Okay, we are on board. We are on board. Very, very, very big quantity. It's 780 quantity, and this is 24,000 call is what we purchased, and we are really marching ahead. It's not necessary that we'll march. It's a expiry. But yeah, we started off well. Look at this, like 63.4 we bought, and it just marched from here upwards, right? It doesn't mean anything, right? It means it doesn't mean that we are going to book this, and it's possible that we get scratched again. But yeah, what a start! What a start today! It's a brilliant start of the trade. Let's see this how this trade pans out, and I don't mind taking scratch, right? We are here for the full day as usual, right? It's already crossed uh 13 points, possibly 13 14 points. Yeah, it's 80 right now. 12,000 profit on the table. Very handsome profit. My goodness, look at this. Look at the green snake that is in the making. It's a bang, really. The first thing in the morning we got it, and what a start. Yeah, looks like we should be exiting it anytime. I don't know. It's possible, we exit it. Let's see when we exit now, because we got a very nice green snake right early in the morning. All right, we exited at 95. It is still launching. It is still moving. It is still progressing. And this is the first trade for the day. Look at this green snake that we actually earned right early in the morning. Let's see how it ended the order. The order is, 63 bought, 95 sold, and the quantity was very decent, knowing the fact the premiums were low. And this is how we look in the positions. Whopping 24,722 rupees in one trade. And that is looking fantastic. And it's a convex state, right? It's a convexity that we earned today, first thing in the morning. So we'll just see. Wait now. We'll wait for the next trade, and when it happens, then we'll see. All right, we onboarded again. इस बार 24,050 के लिए. So let's change this option to 24,050. All right. So this is what we bought. Okay, and it has not launched as soon as we bought this time. So obviously it is still there. But okay, we'll see how it goes, this particular trade. Okay, so it is basically still flat at our price close to 43.65. That is the second trade for the day. So we'll just have to wait and watch, how it performs. All right, so we scratched it. We closed it at 36.41. So this is a scratch that we took from 43 to 36, with a slightly lower quantity, because that is smart, right? So 715 quantity, 43 to 36. This is a scratch, and we stand at 19,500. So we still have, despite one scratch, we still have close to 20k, right, retained on the account after two trades. And now we are going to wait for the next trade. So it's going to be a happening day, as expected, of course, because it's a monthly expiry today. So we just took a scratch worth possibly 7 to 8 points on the quantity, and we already booked 30 plus points, right, on the first trade. So yeah, and that too with a higher quantity than what we scratched with. So overall, net in net, we are very decent, and our retention of the profit is brilliant so far. So far so good for the logging for this 1 lakh risk organism. So let's see how it paces itself going forward in the day. थोड़ा सा न्यूट्रल हुआ है, और अभी थोड़ा सा न्यूट्रलिटी अब्जॉर्प्शन चल रहा है इस टाइम पे। अभी एक्सप्रेशन आउटवर्ड एक्सप्रेशन के इवेंट पे वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर द नेक्स्ट ट्रेड, right? So right now we are dead, basically, neutral at this point, right, as far as the flows are concerned. Okay, so we purchased it again at 46. It's even a higher price. उसके भी ऊपर प्राइस है ये। 780 क्वांटिटी हमने लिया है, और 46 पे इसने परचेज किया है इसको, राइट। लेट्स सी द ऑर्डर्स क्विकली। 49 अभी प्रेजेंटली है ऑर्डर, या 46 पे इसने खरीदा है अभी। So, okay, so and the QSI is launching again. So let's see, it's a very, very happening day today. Look at this green snake forming. This is such a brilliant move. I hope it actually persists, because if it persists, only then we are going to be able to book the profits. But more than profit, look at this, right? It's huge, right? 46 पे इसने लिया है, और अभी ये फिर से launch कर रहा है. What a launch this is again. And it would, wow, this is good. This is really, really good. It's really doing everything today. So what a launch. Of course, it can boil down, but we don't know, right? So we'll have to obviously wait and watch. But what a pattern it is forming today. And it is kind of washed off whatever it took, right? This particular option. Of course, the winning option anyway, we persisted, right? We are retaining the profits from there. And whatever it made us lose in the previous second trade, it is launching, and it is good. It's really good. It feels good, right, to see the entries are so aligned today. But it will be a roller coaster, so we'll have to wait and watch how this particular trade pans out. Look at the launch. What a launch this is again. Wow, this is the third trade, and we got another launch, and it is looking amazing, right? Obviously, there is a probability that it might just kind of shy away, but yeah, it is a very, very decent launch again on the call option, which is 24050. And what a sight this is, right? This is amazing. And yeah, it is the day is full of convexity as expected. Okay, so we took a scratch. We took a scratch around 35. Let's see the orders. 33.5. So close to 13 points we gave on this one. This was a brutal scratch, really, for the quantity. And I was hoping that we'll do better than this. And we actually lost quite a bit from, this gain that we, basically registered early in the morning. So 2 scratches already. So 3 trades in total. And we got 2 scratches back to back. And we are still positive for the day. Let's see, what next comes up for us. But so far, it's like 3 trades and 2 scratches and 1 win, right? And that is what makes us our equity still positive for the day so far. तो फिर से ले लिया हमने यहाँ पे। अब क्वांटिटी देखिए हमें, what a quantity, 1040 quantity, and we purchased which call. So quantity adjustment is working absolutely beautiful in this model that we are testing. Okay, so ये जो है मॉडल, इसमें रिस्क ऑर्गेनिज्म 1 लाख का रखा हुआ है। 1040 क्वांटिटी फॉर 41.85 एवरेज प्राइस। What a quantity this is. So let's see, how we do in this one. But yeah, so this is it. ये क्वांटिटी हमने लिया 41 पॉइंट समथिंग पे, तो क्लोज टू 42 इज द बाय प्राइस। अब देखते हैं कि हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेड ट्रीट्स अस। क्वांटिटी इज इंक्रीज्ड ऑफ कोर्स, बेस्ड ऑन द स्टेट, द रिस्क स्टेट एंड ऑल, राइट। ओके, ये भी स्क्रैच कर दिया। अब हमारे कितने ट्रेड हो गए देखते हैं। ये स्क्रैच हो गया, ये 41 का लेके 28। बहुत ही ब्रूटल स्क्रैच दिया है एकदम से। मार्केट जो है वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से अगेंस्ट गई हमारे। तो यहाँ पे भी हमने करीब करीब 12-13 पॉइंट का स्क्रैच ले लिया, ठीक है। और अब भी हमारे 3-4 ट्रेड हो गए, राइट। इसमें से 3 स्क्रैच हो गए, और एक ही हम वी वर बेसिकली वी गॉट द फर्स्ट ट्रेड एज द yeah, the convex hit. तो एक convex hit है, and we have not been lucky to get convex hit since then. तो 3 scratch हम लेके बैठे हुए हैं अभी, ठीक है. So no more trades after that fourth trade. So how we look is this, like, we kind of took 3 scratches at the end, and we lost everything that we made in one trade, and we are ending the day with 4078.75, right? So that is how we look for the day. It's 8 transactions total. So we'll just simply do the ritual here. 4078, right? Let me just go back again, and let me see once. All right, so once more, we'll just check it once more. 4078.75, all right? So 4078.75, and contract note says 559.84. We'll take it as 560, okay? And 4078.75. So we'll just update this. All right, so what we'll do is we'll just update this as a ritual. So it's going to be minus again. So we got a dent again, 4078.85, I guess. Right, and 560 rupees is the cost for today. Risk organism remains same. This is the same, and it is going to be, let me see, 26 of May 2026. All right, I'll do the formatting later, but I think more or less this is done. So we got a little bit bump. It's a flat close for the day, right? So we again got a little bit bump, and possibly this is reflecting here, right? The other chart I had in the previous video, I removed it. There was some issue with the series, selection. So this is enough for us. Like treasury growth curve, right, is looking still healthy. We got a flattish day despite having a very good start. So with this, I'll call it a session.